GPT-3 is going to perform a song for us. But the first thing that we need to do is to decide what genre of song we would like GPT-3 to perform in. Is this a rap? Is it disco? Is it Broadway? Is it a lullaby? Is it a ballad? Opera. I love that. What is a word or a theme that should be included in the song? Emotional intelligence. Right, emotional intelligence.
Self-awareness.
Self-awareness. Mercy.
Salmon.
Emotional intelligence. A symphony of grace. Notes of empathy, compassion, embrace. Skin like a gentle stream. Mercy's embrace, a healing embrace.